English Language Studies, non-thesis. Ray Ross A. Villarmino, Begang Isabela City, Basilan. Karen L. Falcasantos, Divisoria, Zamboanga City. Alexis R. Faustino, G1, Zamboanga City. As of second semester 2021-2022, Catherine F. Humawan, Vitali, Zamboanga City. John Lloyd G. Pestañas, Putik, Zamboanga City. As of first semester 2023-2024, Sadraina J. Nasaludin. As of first semester 2022-2023, Jennifer L. Galleron, Sinunok, Zamboanga City. Ronel Christopher R. Enriquez, Culianan, Zamboanga City. Master of Arts in English Language Studies, non-thesis, College of Liberal Arts, Ray Ross A. Villarmino. Karen L. Falcasantos. Alexis R. Faustino. Catherine F. Humawan. John Lloyd G. Pestañas. Sadraina J. Nasaludin. Jennifer L. Galleron. Ronel Christopher R. Enriquez.